The Cascade Mountains of the Pacific Northwest were born of fire. They're surrounded by the beautiful fireweed. Early explorers and observers recorded their observations of the eruptions of Mount St. Helens from 1831 to 1857. In legend, she is Louette. In truth, she is Fire Mountain. This is the observation of a resident of Vancouver, Washington, May 18, 1980. The men gathered from around the United States. They came from every state, reporters, photographers, geologists, too numerous to name. And as Forest Service reports foretold, her destructive behavior may make her appearance significantly change. He wonders. The Collins County Sheriff sent out the message. It was true. Humans, get out of there. We know not what she'll do. Her friends stayed in their trailer on a ridge close by. We are friends of Fire Mountain. To us she will be true. She may harm others, but not we who care. We are her great friends, taking pictures of what she spits into the air. Then the day, May 18th. Then the time, 8:32. Then the great force. Mankind was sleeping in his quiet structures when Fire Mountain released a sound deep within the ground. I am mad that you gaze and not in reverence bow. You pray not to the forces deep within the ground. The humble Indian people true reverence did pay me. I will have to teach you of the true force within the soul of me. Then the fury started, their humble forms did shake. What will we do if this mountain blows up in our face? What will be our destiny, we shallow, fleshy forms? The mountain changed the land north into one flat plain. The Douglas fir lay on the ground, in pain of death, murmuring no sound. Spirit Lake could not be seen by observers in their flying machine. The great cloud rose and rose higher and higher. The great wind carried her ashes across the continent. The fallout did not stop at man-made borders, but reached the great granite mountains and past the plain. Fire was everywhere. From clouds of her creation, the lightning returned to the timber below. Thousands of acres burned at her devastated north face. The Forest Service could not wait. Official reply, we cannot stop the fires, we just have to wait. They remembered the sheriff's warnings. Humans, stay out of there. We know not what she'll do. We shall heed the warnings. We do not wish to lose the men we need to care for you. Then the horror struck. What of the men close to her heart? The helicopter was sent with one pilot to find Fire Mountain's friends. The pilot assured all around, I'll do my best, they will be found. He headed into the great force. Would Fire Mountain give him his last flight? He depended on his great God to lead him to the right place. He wanted to save his friends. He dare not think of their fate. energy used best, quick came the report. There is no ridge, no trailer, no men, no report. His voice did tremble and shake. Fire Mountain heard his message and did sigh. I am sorry about my friends, but they were too close. I started rumbling and could not stop the force. But my friends and I are now part of one eternity, guided by the great eternal forces that guide all of us, you and me.